Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to stop recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online, whether you need to pause a subscription temporarily, skip just one invoice, or permanently end a recurring billing cycle. Knowing how to manage these templates will save you time and prevent unwanted invoices from going out to your clients. First, go ahead and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see the gear icon, also known as Settings. Click on it to open up a drop-down menu with various configuration options. From this menu, locate the Lists column and select Recurring Transactions. This is where QuickBooks stores all your automated templates for invoices, bills, and other recurring transactions. Now that you're in the Recurring Transactions section, you'll likely see a variety of templates listed. To make things easier, click on the Filter dropdown at the top of the page. From there, select Invoice under Template Type. This narrows down the list to show only your recurring invoice templates, making it much simpler to find what you're looking for. Scroll through the filtered list and locate the specific recurring invoice template you want to stop. Once you've found it, look over to the Action column on the right side of that row. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to the template. Click on it to reveal several options for managing this recurring invoice. If you want to temporarily stop the invoice without deleting the template, select Pause. This will stop all future invoices from being generated, but it keeps the template intact so you can reactivate it later whenever you need to. If you only want to skip the very next scheduled invoice but keep the rest of the schedule running, choose Skip Next Date instead. This is perfect for one-off situations where you need a brief pause. For a permanent solution, select Delete from the drop-down menu. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the deletion, so go ahead and confirm it. This completely removes the recurring invoice template from your system. Alternatively, if you want the recurring invoice to stop after a certain date but still want to keep a record of the template, select Edit. Inside the template settings, locate the End Date field and change it to either a past date or a near future date when you want the invoices to stop generating. Once you've set the date, save your changes. After making any of these adjustments, confirm your changes and exit the recurring transactions list. Your recurring invoice will now behave according to the option you selected, giving you full control over your automated billing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.